Good evening, everyone. The markets have closed. It's 6:03, and let's check out the indicator performance for today, 25th of February. As you can see, this is a bank Nifty chart. It's a 5-minute time frame. So today morning, we got a buy signal here. The trade executed on the next closing of this candle around 36,179 levels, and it went up right till here almost 36,700 levels, giving us a profit of around 4 to 500 points. Then you can see we also have a sell signal which did not execute. Why? Because the next candle closing was not lesser than the candle in which we received the signal, number one. And number two, any signal which comes after 2 p.m. we will ignore. We will not trade. So this was for Bank Nifty. Now let's check out some stocks. This is Tata Steel. For stocks, the time frame will be 3 minutes. Okay. Now Tata Steel, we got a buy signal here in the morning in this candle, and as you can see, from 1104 it went up right till here 1149. A very big move for Tata Steel. Next, ITC. ITC, here we have got a buy signal in the morning, and the trade happened in this candle as the closing of price of this candle was greater than this candle. It went up till here. Then we got a sell signal. Now when you buy this indicator, we also give you our strategies how to trade. So when you trade, our thumb rule is, when you get profit in the first signal, we ignore all other signals in that script. We will not trade. Still, for some people who have traded, it is for them. Even if you have taken a trade in this sell signal, there is a very small stop loss from here till here. Still, you got a very big profit. And as I said, we do not trade, we do not consider any signals after 2 p.m. So you have to ignore this too. Then we have Tech Mahindra. For Tech Mahindra, again we got a buy signal here, and from 1343 levels it went up right till 1400. Then again, as I said, if we make profit in the first signal, we do not trade on the second. Still, if you have traded, there's a very small stop loss, but no trade happened here. Why? If the stop loss candle is very small or very big, or it has a dodgy candle, then we will not trade. So that is why no trade happened here. Still, if some people traded, then there is a very small stop loss, but the profit is very big as compared to the stop loss. Now let's move to the next stock. It's ACC. ACC, here the trade executed. We got a buy signal here. The trade executed here. It went up all the way till here, and then again we got a sell signal. As I said, we do not trade on the second signal if the first signal is in profit. Still, when I've considered the previous signals, anybody who has traded here, has sold here, they have made a profit till here, from 2063 to 2040. Next is Power Grid. Power Grid, we got a buy signal here in the morning at 96, and from 193 it went up right till here 197 levels. And this signal, as you can see, we got a sell signal here, but no trade happened. This is a no trade zone. Why? Because Even if the next candle, closing of the next candle is not less, you can consider the next 4 or 5 candle. So in this candle, this is a doji candle. So at no way, the trade was executed. So as I said, when you buy our indicator, at the same time you will get our strategies and you will learn how to trade, which will make your trade more perfect. And these signals are all after 2 p.m. so we'll ignore. Let's check out next Kotak Bank. Again, Kotak Bank, we got a buy signal here. The trade, as you can see, the next candle, the closing of the next candle is not greater than this, but yes, the third candle. We can consider next 3 or 4, maximum 5 candles. So from 1826, it went up almost till 1866. A fantastic move for Kotak Bank. Then we have Titan. Titan also, we got a buy signal here. The trade executed at 2435 levels and it went up right till 2464. Now let's see one more chart. Hindalco. Again, Hindalco, we got a buy signal here and the trade happened on this particular candle. It went up right till here and then again we have a sell signal, but the signal, as I said, no trades happened here. Why? Because the candle in which we received the signal is a very small candle, so no trade will happen here. We will not consider this kind of candle. We'll consider this candles, this type of candles. Even this will do, but not doji. At least, in the entire candle, the body has to be almost 60 to 70%. So this is it. Now this indicator works on free trading view application. It works on mobile app as well as on desktop. On free platform, you can use this indicator in equity, bank nifty, commodity, forex, crypto. It comes with a lifetime validity. Along with that, you also get our strategy videos on how to trade and how to apply this indicator. In case after you have purchased the indicator, you need any kind of support, we are always there for you to 24/7. We will guide you. If you are unable to understand anything, you can WhatsApp us. So that was all for today. Hope you had a profitable trade. Thank you. Take care. Bye.